every part 3 movie should be a masterpiece in itself, whether if we talk about Deadpool 3, Captain America 3, even Spider-Man 3. Now let's talk about Venom, which is also arriving within 5 months. So if we talk about this movie, then we have seen Venom in Spider-Man No Way Home, but in post-credit scene later he was traveled to his own universe thanks to Mr. Doctor Strange. And currently, if we talk about Venom 3 plot, then it has still not been clear that it will involve Spider-Man or not, because we have already seen Eddie Brock and Venom who had great bond and tuning. But if we notice Sam Raimi's Spider-Man, then there we can see some comic book accuracy. Like first he attached with Peter Parker, copied his powers, then later transferred those powers to Eddie Brock. But if we talk about Venom, then finally he also exists in our current Marvel Cinematic Universe. As we all know, in Spider-Man No Way Home post-credit scene, Venom left some of his part and that part is searching for Peter Parker. And maybe later he will bond with Flash Thompson along with Spider-Man powers and be called as Agent Venom. But what will happen in Venom 3 is the biggest question, because if we talk about current updates, then it has been said that we may get to see Andrew Spider-Man involvement. Because if we talk about Venom Part 1, then nobody believed that it will work without Spider-Man. But unlike Morbius and Madam Web, results were quite surprising. If we talk about Venom Let There Be Carnage, then audience believe that at least in this movie, we might get to see Spider-Man and they will team up with Venom in order to take down Carnage. But this doesn't happen. Rather, we have seen post-credit scene where Venom is taken into another universe which we called as MCU. Now, if we talk about Venom 3, in order to make the movie hit and even bigger, there must be involvement of two things. First and foremost, there must be involvement of Spider-Man, whether it is Tom Holland Spider-Man or Andrew or even Tobey Maguire. Second, there must be concept of multiverse, because currently incursion is happening and each and every universe is affected. Let's take an example of Morbius post-credit scene. We have seen Vulture of MCU arriving in that universe and together they are searching for Spider-Man. It has been said that they might appear in Venom 3 also. And currently if we talk about Spider-Man involvement, then Venom needs Spider-Man because he has to upgrade. Because if we read comics, Venom perfect host is Eddie Brock, but Venom also enjoys Peter Parker body because technically he is a superhuman. Later he might bond with Flash Thompson and give him some new type of powers which we have seen in comics. But if we talk about Venom 3 storyline, it has been said that we will get to see some new type of symbiote. Number one symbiote if we talk about, then it is Toxin, which has been taken over Detective, which we have seen in Venom Part 2, and he is the one of the best type of symbiote and look like similar to Spider-Man because symbiote color is red and blue. Now let's talk about another symbiote who is Anti-Venom, which has been created by Lab, and that is why this symbiote doesn't have a free will or consciousness, and the user of that symbiote have full control on that. Now come the theory time which have been circulating around the internet. What if this Venom symbiote attached with Peter Parker of that universe, and because of which Eddie Brock is left alone. So somehow Anti-Venom finds Eddie Brock and later bond with him, giving him some new types of powers. But how this can be possible? Can this storyline can be comic accurate or not? It is the biggest matter of concern. Because if we talk about comics, then there is a heavy involvement of Oscorp, and we have seen in Spider-Man 2 games also that how Harry Osborn and other things are related with each other. So technically, if we talk about Andrew Spider-Man universe, then we have seen what actually happened with Harry Osborn. He has turned into Green Goblin. So the biggest question is that is Venom and Andrew universe are same or altogether different from each other? And if they are different, then how Andrew Garfield Spider-Man will end up in this universe and team up with Venom? Let's understand this situation with the help of some weird theories. As we already know, during the events of No Way Home, at the request of Peter Parker, Doctor Strange finally read that spell so that each and every character who know Peter Parker might return to their respective universe. But what if spell have some loopholes, and because of that we have seen Vulture in Morbius universe, and what if Andrew also not ended up in his universe but somehow fell in Venom universe, which will create huge confusion and this will result in incursion for that particular universe. So currently this might get possible, which will result in Sony dream projects, which is live action Spider-Verse, or we can say that Venomverse, because it has been said that if the concept of multiverse still exists, this might create a very interesting story. Later, one new leaks also suggests that Venom might travel in different type of universe and will also arrive at Tobey Spider-Man universe where events of Spider-Man 3 are happening, and he will meet that universe Venom, which is very cruel and evil, and we might get to see two different versions of Venom fighting with each other. But all these leaks, theories and update raised one of the most important question. Who is the main villain for Venom 3? Is it anti-Venom? Because if this is true, then plot is quite simple. Venom will bond with Peter Parker and later will fight with Eddie Brock in order to make him free from anti-Venom symbiote. Another leak is quite interesting and pretty amazing. If we talk about Spider-Man No Way Home, then we have seen all the superheroes or villains appeared in that movie which belong to Spider-Man, and especially the villain who have lost their lives. So what if in Venom universe somehow Carnage and Riot from different universe make their return in order to take revenge from Venom? Because of their high knowledge, they all are connected with each other and they remember what Venom has done to him. So currently they might get a chance to return back in Venom universe thanks to the incursion, and Venom will face them again. But this time somehow they will merge together and form a new type of symbiote which can be very dangerous. And together, if we talk about Eddie Brock with anti-Venom symbiote and Spider-Man with Venom symbiote, will make a team in order to take them down. All these Venom 3 leaks looks quite interesting, but we already know what Tom Hardy had said in his recent interview. It has been revealed that Tom Hardy said that Venom 3 will be his last dance, and the title of the movie is similar to that. But does that mean Tom Hardy will left Venom after their part 3 movie or will never return? This is the biggest question, because if we talk about Venom symbiote, then he might get a new host, but then what will happen to Eddie Brock? Will Eddie Brock will sacrifice his life for good? And if this thing happen, then fans will get very sad, because if we talk about fans expectation, they want to see Eddie Brock Venom in Avengers Secret Wars movie, which can be possible only if Eddie survived in Venom 3. What about Spider-Man and other characters? Because if we talk about Avengers 5, then this is not only the big thing happening, because Sony is planning their own multiverse saga with different type of Venom variants and also Spider-Man variants, who all will team up together in order to face the biggest villain of all time, and who has ended many Celestials' life. Yes, I am talking about Null, the god of symbiote, and definitely he will arrive in Spider-Verse, or we can say that in the next biggest Spider-Man Venom event, because he has created different types of symbiote in order to take different types of worlds. But currently Venom is not doing his particular job. Instead of taking over and ruling over the world like Riot, he wants to be with this world and enjoy life. But currently, what if the god of symbiote is coming for Venom and will try to control him?